Hello everybody and welcome back to Dan Eats Snacks and Stuff. We're gonna eat some snacks and stuff. Look at this kitty. Look at this angry kitty. Being so angry. He's an angry kitty. Let's finish this off at last, finally. Yeah? Oh my god. There's so many Japanese snacks. And then once we're done, I've got a little extra thing. Because it was going to be in the cookie video, but I forgot that it existed. So, let's just get this out of the way. Little monkey with lemon. I'm guessing lemon flavored. Let's harvest one of these little pellets. Oh. Okay. That dissolves really fast. Oh, it's like a sweet tart that just becomes powder. Like it's fast dissolving sweet tarts. That's actually really fun. I like that a lot. That's really tasty. And yeah, it is lemon flavored. Kiki, that's not for you. Back there, cat butt. We got this. It looks like it's just like mints. We'll find out. It's a very nice package. It's very child friendly. Oh, that's tasty. That's like tutti frutti flavored. Very nice. Oh, that's going to be stuck in my mouth forever, so I'm just going to very discreetly take it out. Blah. And I'll enjoy that later. So we got this. I don't know. It says on it, soba meshi. I don't know what that means. It looks like it's like nuts. Or like seeds. Smells like it's like barbecue flavored. What? Oh, they're like little puffed rice things. Ooh. Oh god, it's in my beard. Get out. Oh, it's more beef flavored ramen. God damn it. There was so much beef flavored ramen. That was yet another beef flavored ramen snack. They really like their beef flavored ramen. Ooh. I thought this was going to be another one of those. But actually, we got this here. And on the back, you see what it is, and it looks like it's some sort of a fruit roll-up. Very interesting. Let's give this a try. Oh, it smells like a fruit roll-up. Get open. Oh my god, open! There we go. Alright. Sour. Sour but tasty. Oh, they come apart. Oh, that's fun. I love these. I love that. Tastes like it's real fruit juice. But it might not be. I don't really care. It's tasty as hell. I love that. That's really good. But now my fingers are all sticky. Alright, we're almost done. We're getting there. Next, this looks like it was a gummy treat that melted in transit and is now part of the packaging. But it looks like it might be soda flavored. Grape soda flavored. Well, let's see if we can't get it open and salvage it. Oh my gosh. Get. There we go. Blew out. Yeah, this melted and became part of the packaging, which is such a shame because it's gummy, so it's extra icky. Oh my god. Yeah, this is unsalvageable. Yep. Oh my god. Oh, and it's such a shame too because it's tasty. Like sour grape or like grapefruit with sugar on it, flavored, like gummy, and it's really nice actually. Oh my gosh. That's so nice. It's such a shame that it melted. Oh, shame. Oh well. Alright. Next. Another thing that seems like it might have melted in transit. Looks like Banana Man. Banana Man! So, probably a banana flavored something. Ugh. Yep, melted. Oh, it's got like a shell to it. What is this? Ooh. Some sort of a marshmallow thing, or? The smell! Oh, it smells awful. It doesn't taste awful. It's marshmallow on the inside. But the casing is supposed to be like banana flavored, I guess. But it's like, it smells so violently bad. But it doesn't taste bad. It just tastes like marshmallow and banana. I don't hate it. I don't know what this black stuff is, though. You see that black stuff? I think it might be chocolate. Yeah, I think it's some sort of a chocolate cream. Yeah, see here it's on the packaging. There's something in the center. And I think it's some sort of a chocolate cream. It's not terrible, but man, that smell was violently bad. Oh. Alright. All that's left is this and the purple version of the taffy. So let's do this first, because on the back you can see it's probably going to be a soda flavored gummy. Cola. It even says cola. Cola gummy candy in English. I just have to get it open. Oh my god. Why is it so hard to open like all of these things? There we go. Get open. Alright. And then why does gummy stuff want to just become part of the packaging? How hot is it in Japan? Yeah, there we go. It tastes exactly like all the other gummy stuff, or all the other cola flavored stuff. Like flat cola. Kind of weak though. That was mostly just gelatin. And you didn't really have a taste to it at all. Just a very faint cola taste. My fingers are so sticky. God. Alright. Now let's have the purple Halloween taffy. I really liked the lime. So hopefully I really like whatever this one is. Purple! Purple. Ah, smells like that violent grape flavor. like grape and plastic. Not nearly as good as the lime. Yeah, grape and plastic. Oh well. Alright. Well, that's finally done with. Man, that was $20 well spent. That was a lot of Japanese snacks for $20. Holy crap. Recommended. Go to Amazon. That's where I got that from. It's the Amazon grab bag for $20. There's a $20 version, and then there's like a $30 or $40 version that has like twice as much stuff. They've got versions of Mexican snacks and German snacks and stuff like that. They've got a couple of those on there as well. I was really tempted to get like the whole bundle together because there was like a sale that said if you got like all three, then it was only $40. So I was tempted, but I didn't end up doing it because instead I subscribed to Yumbox. But that was good. That was totally worth. All right. So we're going to end off this episode with a cookie thing that was going to be in the cookie episode, but I forgot that it existed. So I'll just shove it in here. These are Noppers. I bought it more for the package. Because look at this package. Like, that's cool. I just like the packaging. The packaging alone makes it worth it, but I do want to actually try these. They're not terribly interesting other than the packaging. Although, it sounds delicious. Don't get me wrong. I gotta get it open somehow. There. With the power of a pen. So, yeah. Nopper. It's milk hazelnut wafer. So, I mean, that just sounds amazing. Hazelnut chocolate and some sort of a cream together on a wafer, like sandwich. Oh my god, that's like all my favorite things put together. I love wafers. We have some sugar-free vanilla wafers downstairs, and oh my god, I can't stop. And it's starting to take its toll on me. But, you know, so we got hazelnut chocolate, some sort of a cream, and the wafer on top. Let's give it a try. Oh, it's smooth. The, actually, that's a little bland. It's not terrible. But it's not as good as I kind of expected it to be. I think it overhyped itself. See if we can't. No, can't get it apart. I think it's the wafer. The wafer is very, like, low grade. And the cream in the center is just... I think they tried to make it not taste like cream and try to go overly milky flavor, which just made it turn bland. That's kind of a shame. You hear... I mean, you can still taste the hazelnut chocolate, which is really nice. I like hazelnut chocolate. I mean, I don't think there is anyone that can eat chocolate that doesn't love hazelnut chocolate. It's just a little disappointing. Oh. I was expecting like a roacher in sandwich form, but it's like if you take like the roacher and then you buy like the discount bargain bin version of it. Hello. KK. So disappointing. But the Japanese bag was super worth it. Oh my god. That was amazing. All right. Well, I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye, everybody.